తెలంగాణ బార్డర్ వద్ద అంబులెన్స్లను ఆపివేయడం దారుణమని డాక్టర్ కెఏ పాల్ అన్నారు. అంబులెన్స్లకు తక్షణమే అనుమతి ఇవ్వాలని తెలంగాణ సీఎం కేసీఆర్ను కోరారు. కోవిడ్ బాధితులను ఆదుకోవాలని బాధ్యత ప్రతి ఒక్కరిపై ఉందని వెంటనే స్పందించి న్యాయం చేయాలని డిమాండ్ చేశారు.
on anyone who obstructs the way. మిత్రులు బార్డర్లో ఉండండి, ఇప్పుడే వెళ్ళిపోండి, టీవీ కెమెరాలను పంపించండి. ఏ ఒక్క అంబులెన్స్ను ఆపినా వారు చట్టవిరుద్ధంగా యాజ్ పర్ సెక్షన్ 194E ద మోటార్ వెహికల్ యాక్ట్ 1998 a fine of INR 10,000 shall be imposed on anyone who obstructs the way of ambulance. అంతేకాకుండా సెక్షన్ 304A causing death by negligence, whoever causes death of any person by doing any rash of negligent act amounting to culpable homicide shall be punished with imprisonment of either description of a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or both. Please consider this as a legal notice to KCRG, KTRG and DGP Mahendra Reddy. How to explain the Negligence Act when the officials acted knowingly very well that a patient can lose their life and they are acting in a manner in which they give scant regard to human life. It's a negligent act, and if death occurs, it's felt caused by negligence. More important, I'm going to give you 304. Please read this if you don't know the Indian Penal Code 304. Whoever commits culpable homicide not announcing to murder shall be punished with imprisonment for life or imprisonment or either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine if the act by which the death is caused is done with the intention of causing death or of causing such badly injury as is likely to cause death, or with imprisonment or either description of for a term which may extend to 10 years or with fine and with both if the act is done with intention. Please understand how seriously I am talking to you from Washington area. Whoever commits culpable homicide, it's account to a murder, shall be punished with imprisonment for life. In America, we can say manslaughter or second degree murder at least. This act of stopping ambulance is done by police officers at the instance of Chief Minister or whoever gave the orders, not the simple people. Chief Minister garu, you are responsible. Acting Chief Minister, party leader KTR is responsible. DGP Mahendra Reddy, you are responsible. All three of you, immediately. Do not stop one ambulance. I'm telling you, I'm warning you. If you do it, I will file. Keya Mitrulu.
If you like this video, please like it, share it, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel.